But cause you see, like this happened like 2 years ago, and now she's in a car accident, a horrible one, man. She's been hospitalized. You feel me? We wish you a speedy recovery, Karishma. Yeah, man. Like I don't know why people do this, man. You feel me? I know, like we are content creators. Like this is how we eat. But you feel me? You can't lie about someone dying and then on the internet just for views, man. You feel me? Yeah, it's sad, man. What this world has turned into, man. These days, when people see a dying person, instead of helping, they take out their phones and open their cameras, man. Yeah, man, it's sad, man. Like we live in the era of YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, like the iPhone era, man. Yeah, man, it's very sad, man. Yeah, man. So yeah, that's the news for today, though. So the real story allegedly is that Charisma was traveling to a friend with another friend. You feel me? She was a passenger in the